Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Lisa. Hi, everyone. It's Mark here.
Hi, Mark. Today we have a very useful topic for students.
Yes, daily English at school. Classroom conversation practice for beginners. These are the sentences you use with teachers and classmates every day.
Perfect for school students or anyone learning in a class.
We will practice slowly, repeat, and give lots of examples. But first, our usual small request. If you like this episode, please click the like button, subscribe to Daily English Chat, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. We want to help everyone speak English confidently. Okay, Mark, let's start when you arrive at school.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, classmates.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Please sit down.
Open your books.
Page number 10.
Teacher, I don't have my book.
Share with your friend.
Thank you.
Who is absent today?
Ahmed is absent.
Okay, note it down.
Let's start the lesson.
Today we learn about animals.
Repeat after me. Dog,
Dog,
cat.
cat.
Good pronunciation.
Now read the sentence.
The dog is big.
Very good.
Teacher, what does big mean?
It means large.
Thank you.
Any questions?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Can you explain again?
Sure. Listen carefully.
I understand now.
Great.
Group work time.
Work with your partner.
Ask your partner questions.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite is lion.
Because it's strong?
Yes.
Now present to class.
Stand up.
Speak loudly.
Everyone listen.
Good presentation.
Clap for them.
Break time. Go to playground.
Play football.
Be careful.
Don't run too fast.
Lunchtime.
Eat your lunch.
Share with friends.
Thank you for sharing.
Drink water.
Back to class.
Afternoon lesson.
Math time.
Open math book.
Solve the problems.
Teacher, this is hard.
Let me help.
Thank you.
Raise your hand to ask.
Yes, teacher?
Can I go to bathroom?
Yes, quickly.
Library time.
Choose a book.
Read quietly.
No talking.
Return the book.
School ending.
Pack your bag.
Homework for tomorrow.
Write it down.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, friends.
Now, common classroom phrases.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
May I drink water?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I sharpen my pencil?
Yes,
I don't understand.
ask the teacher.
Please repeat.
Slowly, please.
Spell the word.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Good spelling.
Quiet, please.
Everyone listen.
Pay attention.
No cheating.
Test time.
Read the questions.
Write neatly.
Time is up.
Submit your paper.
Good effort.
Parent-teacher meeting.
Your child is good in English.
Thank you.
Practice more math.
We will.
School trip.
Excited?
Yes.
Bring lunch.
Wear comfortable shoes.
Follow rules.
School assembly.
Stand in line.
Sing national anthem.
Pledge.
Announcements.
Sports day.
Run fast.
Good luck.
We won.
Congratulations.
Exam week.
Study hard.
Revise notes.
Sleep early.
No stress.
You can do it.
Result day.
Good marks.
I'm happy.
Reward time.
Ice cream.
Now, pronunciation tips.
Teacher. Teacher.
Student. Student.
Homework. Homework.
Classroom. Classroom.
Repeat after me.
Good morning, teacher.
Again.
Viewer practice.
Say, may I come in?
Loudly.
Common mistake. Forget please.
Always polite.
Role play asking question.
Teacher, can I ask?
Yes,
What is this word?
it means.
Thank you.
Another role play, group work.
Let's discuss.
My idea is.
Good idea.
Agree?
Yes.
Challenge. Write 5 classroom sentences in comments.
We read them.
Share with school friends.
Practice together.
Thank you for watching.
Learn well.
God bless you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.